Mom, it's still raining, but it's just drizzling.
Tara, tara.
We're riding a van?
Dude, you're gonna ride this Jeep another boat.
Hoy!
Dude!
Masanay kang sumakay dyan.
The favorite of Lola Pinti.
Okay.
Wala seatbelt siya, sira.
Walang seatbelt, yun ang problema.
Who's driving?
Me! Don't you trust me?
Yeah?
Sabi, do you enjoy it?
Yeah.
It's fully air conditioned.
Wait, the steering wheel, is it like this?
It's very heavy. It is Powis steering.
Yeah.
Sabi, look, there is leak.
Yeah.
There is flood.
Yeah.
Inside the Jeep, there is flood.
Is it on?
Yeah. You see, it's a fast racing Jeep.
Let's go. Hoy, hindi ba ito titirek?
Eh, meron naman tayong mechanic eh. Hindi, mas maganda nga kung titirik. Kaso pa mo dyan para may ano ka. Yeah.
Ikawang?
Okay, Sabi, when you go home, you will bring this Jeep na ha. I give it to you na ha. You bring this to your school ha.
Huh?
You bring this to your school. Everybody is making sound here. Except the horn.
Wala tayong busina. Ano ba yan?
Wow, it's exciting, Sabi.
No.
It's raining, man.
Oh, this is scary.
Tumakpan yung aking wiper.
You have no wipers?
Ayan.
Oh, it's very fast.
Ayan.
You go
Pang
faster.
all-weathering.
That's the fastest?
We cannot be fast because we will fly. You want to
I
fly
want to fly.
outside?
Yeah.
This car is as fast as its wiper. You see how fast is the wiper? The car also goes like that.
You gotta go faster.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, do you enjoy riding this? Sabi?
Exciting.
You're excited, right?
Exciting. Delighting. Fantastic.
Wow! Oh, look the puddle!
Oh, there's flood, Sebi. There's mini flood.
I want to see the puddle.
Oh.
Where are we going?
To Mama's old apartment. Ayan, that's my PDA.
Where?
The green. That's where I go since till 12 years old.
Hey!
Why? Who's that?
People, the
Somebody
people.
knows me because I am the grandfather of Sebi. That's why they know me. You
Dito,
know,
dito, 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 dito. Dito, dito, dito. Ah, stop, stop, stop. This is Mama's school. Before. So that's our house. This is the school. See?
tiptoe ha, Sebi. Tiptoe ha.
Ready? Go, go, go. You have to jump.
It's okay.
Old school of Mama. Teacher May! Teacher May! That's my teacher before, Teacher May. How are you?
I'm good.
Sevi. Halika, Sevi.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, grade 1.
Yeah, this was your grade 1 room.
Grade 1 room, Sevi.
But now it's already the grade 4 room.
Ito dati room ko nung grade 1.
I'm grade 2.
Tapos grade 2 Sinai ako dati.
Yes, all sections.
Oy, pilot section lagi si Mami, Sevi. Sa school namin, ang first subject lagi, GMRC. GMRC pa rin. Good manners and right conduct. Tapos,
Remember?
yes, tapos Bible verse.
Yes.
Bukas ba?
Yes po.
Ay, bukas. Oh my gosh, it's the same.
Wait, we're the classmates.
Malagyan! Ibalik natin, nasira ako. Ayan! Ayan. Yung third,
Apartment.
that's our apartment.
I can hear her practice her songs from my classroom.
Oh, see? Ayan.
Singing.
Yeah, dyan ako na. Yung may tank, and that's our apartment. So, if I want to know kung puno na yung class, sumisilip lang ako. And then pag okay na, sige, pasok na ako sa school.
Let's go inside your old apartment.
Thank you very much for visiting.
Thank you,
Thank
sis.
you. Like to meet you,
Teacher
teacher.
May. Sige po. Thank you.
Kaya kami lumipat doon sa apartment eh. Kasi madalas kami, pag nawawalan kami ng katulong or tsaka ng yaya, ang hirap, di ba? Diba, iniiwan ko sa sabyanan ko or yung mother ko, tatawagan ko. So sabi ko, paano kaya tayo? Nagantay kami may umalis dun sa apartment ngayon. Tapos tama-tama naman, timing, may paalis ng after 2 months. Kaya kami natira doon. So, kaya andali, dahil yun ang school nila, yung Methodist school, ang lapit. So, kahit pumunta lang sandali yung mother ko, pag dumating na si Bonoy, ang lapit lang yung school.
See? That's the old apartment. That's where Mama used to live.
Tao po. Pwede pumasok?
Mom, this is your old apartment.
Gaano katagal na kayo nakatira dito?
Mga 3 years and 2 months.
Bago pa lang.
Bali, dito po nung umira po dito po.
Pasensya na. Okay lang. Dito din kami nakatira dati. Pwede pumasok?
Opo!
Sige. Pasok. Dito yung bed. Pero dati yung bedroom namin sa taas.
Dati, hindi pinapasok.
Dito yung dining namin na.
Kasi,
Hello! Sabi, ito naman yung dati kong room, ha? Ito ang room namin dati ni Alex.
Puro abubot po.
Yan ang room namin.
Pasensya na po.
Hindi, ganito rin po kami dati.
dati narin yung piano, dito yung salas eh. Maski kami umalis ni Pinpin ng maaga, pumapasok lang sila sa school. Mga 8 years kami.
Dati nag super bad dream ako. Kasi ang dream ko, may divider dati dito. May dinosaur daw dito na gusto akong ipalaban ng mami at daddy. Yun ang dream ko dati. Alam niyo to, dati di ba tayo nagpakabit nito?
Oo, sa inyo po pala yan.
Kami po nagpakabit niyan. Dati walang ganyan eh. O say bye-bye, say thank you na. Thank you.
Let's ride the jeep already.
Oh, let's go. Sabi, let's go. Tara.
Whoa!
This is Mama's church. This was where Mama was dedicated, sang in the praise and worship, and then eventually became a Sunday school teacher. This is where it opened before when Mama got married. Yay! This is where Mama walked down the aisle. Oh, this is where Bonoy walk with Mama, and there's Pinty walking down the aisle.
Are you getting married again?
And then there is your dad. This is the old building of Gonzaga, Sevi.
Whoa!
Nag-work ako dito nung bata ako, nagtinda ako dito.
Your mama used to have a store
There,
there.
nagtitinda kami
Why
dati
is
dyan.
it
That's
Seven
our,
chips. Your mama
yes. Dati may malaki yan, Gonzaga building. It was the only building dati. It was owned by my lolo.
Nung dati yon general merchandising. Kumbaga, yung in-laws ko, dinala yung Divisoria. Lahat ng anything gamit sa damit. Kasi known ang taytay for garments nila. Tapos may maliit lang portion doon na para bake shop din. So si Tony, nung napunta na sa kanila, sa side ng biyaran ko yung area na yun, yung building, minsan nagtitinda rin sila. Silang dalawang magkapatid, magkasosyo doon sila. Tapos nagtayo sila ng mini store doon sa harap. Andun yung iba-ibang cornet, kaya bata pa sila, mahilig na silang business.
Oh, let's go inside. So you see. Oh my gosh.
Nice the spot.
Yeah, because it's a park.
You can put a store here.
Yeah.
Oh!
when put up restaurant here.
Alright, the John Noyes.
Yun nga gusto niya.
Future site of John Noyes.
Did you hear when we were going up, sabi niya? Kailan yung pinarenovate to?
Sabay ko na, hindi ka train.
Lagot ka, sabay sa bahay ni Catherine. Sabay-sabay yan. Pinapagawa tong building, bahay ni Catherine, yung bahay sa tabi. Sabi ko, kaya hindi natatapos yung bahay ni Catherine. Ang dami niyong pinapagawa.
Nilang pera dito. Watch
Siya.
Catherine's vlog.
Can I play chess?
Sabi,
Gusto mo mag-chess?
here. Sabi, chess players.
Go, play!
Oh, kayo.
I want to be white.
Oh, you want it?
Huh?
Oh.
What do I do?
Nako,
What?
you ate the tower.
Thank you, kuya. Ate, may buko pandan? He wants buko pandan daw. Buko pandan.
May taro kayo.
I like taro. I like taro.
Isang taro.
Hello.
I want
With boba.
Ay, ang ganda ko. Mommy, I can see you in Tata.
This is the other building.
Gonzaga.
Oh, let's go inside. This is the penthouse. This is where we do our fans day. Yung mga fans get together ko, Paul. Dito yun. Hoy! Sabi, dance.
Dance with that, dance with
Okay. Welcome to the...
Sabi, let's go.
Going home now, we're going swimming. So we're running fast now.
Whoa!
Oh, we're running fast. Running trials, running wild.
Go!
Oh, it's shaking.
Go!
Ba't nangingin eh?
Ihalay niya. Loco. It's fun to drive.
We're gonna swim, guys. Okay.
Sabi, don't drink water in the swimming pool.
Hoy, that's deep. That's 8 feet na. Sabi, don't wet.
Iba talaga ang sayang dulot ng pagbabalik tanaw sa kung saan ka nagsimula. Itong simpleng pagbisita namin dito sa Taytay made me realize how blessed my children are. I'm grateful to be able to give them a life we can only dream about before. It only reminds me of the goodness of God na may isang bata noon na nanalangin at nangarap. Thank you, Daddy and Mommy, for believing in me and supporting me all the way. Sharing stories with Sevi and making memories with him and Polly dito sa hometown ko will always hold a special place in my heart.